Hey, what's up? It's Matthew here. I am in Jamaica. Hot afternoon, loving it. I'm about to go to the Freedom Skatepark just outside of Kingston and Bull Bay, Harborview area. I did a video about it just when it opened about 3 years ago, and the level of skateboarding has gone up so much. It's just amazing. It's been such a great community vibe there. Seeing these young kids growing up, levels increasing, and we're gonna go catch up with Blake and some other locals just to see how this skate park has been coming along. All right, here we are, Freedom Skatepark. Hilarious sign. Keep closed, no goats. All right, so I'm with Blake at the Freedom Skatepark. And has it been 3 years since it opened?
Yeah, just 3 years. I want to say last week or a couple weeks, something like that. Yeah. We didn't really have our official opening at that at the time because of COVID, you know. So.
Yeah. Well, it's just amazing today because, I don't know, I'm just comparing the first few times I came here. It seems like there's just tons more kids already, and it's, how have you seen stuff change in the last 3 years since it got going?
Well, I mean, like, the appearance is a little different, you know. We've planted a lot of trees, we've put up a little swing set, you know, done a lot of gardening, things like that. But as far as our, you know, work with the community, we do see a lot more the kids that are here on a daily basis. A lot of the ones that you see here are here almost every day. So that's nice to know. You know, when we first started, we had a handful, like we had our original group of kids, you know, energetic nomads. That's what they call it. They're awesome. A good bunch of kids. But now they're all like, you know, teenagers, 16, 18 years old. It's funny to see them grow, you know. Some of them, one or two of them stay and catch on, but then, you know, like kids do, move on to the next thing.
Yeah, 3 years is a long time when you're that age.
Yeah.
For sure. But how have you seen the level go up? Because I'm just thinking the first time I was here, and there were some, you know, pretty good skaters. Now when I come here, I'm kind of mind blown at the level.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy, you know. So especially some of the ones that did skateboard before the park was built. When the park was built, they just went with progression. You know, obviously to have the opportunity to be able to skate obstacles they never skated before. But yeah, man, the level of progression is pretty crazy. I mean, they've far surpassed me. I don't know why they asked me to help them, you know, like learn stuff.
Yeah, I'm the same. I met this kid called Jaquan the other day.
Oh yeah.
I saw him 4 months ago. He could barely do a rock and roll. Now he's doing tricks I can't do, and I'm asking him for tips.
He just started skating in like December or something like that.
That's when I was here last time. I might have been here his first few times.
And he's doing backside disasters.
Yeah, I can't do them. I was just talking about today. I can't do that trick.
But you know, a lot of these kids don't have the mental block of, you know, being afraid. You know, they're afraid to fall, but I don't know. There's something about being young, you know. But and especially these kids in this community, they really need some kind of outlet that like is not aggressive, but you can let out some of that, you know.
Yeah.
So it's a good. I think it's a good addition to this community for sure.
I mean, I needed that growing up for sure, and there was a lot of stuff to do in Canada. Like, you could do hockey and soccer.
Right,
There's a lot of organizational stuff, but from what I've seen, there's not nearly as much here.
No.
So I don't know. I love seeing the kids being so stoked, and the ones that you see every time I come here.
Yeah.
Like, oh, there's those guys again. Okay, cool.
Yeah, and we're hoping to get it to a point where we're starting a little contest series and then, you know, legitimize the thing, especially in Jamaican families. They want to see like an organized sport if their kids are going to be involved, like seriously.
Yeah.
So that's our goal for this year, is to get like a series going, a ranking, and then and then see if we can send some of these kids off to represent the country or train somewhere, you know, and there's some other Caribbean nations that are, you know, coming up the same way we are, and it would be good for us to share, you know, like send kids there, they send kids here, and yeah, I think it would be good. Bright future for sure for skateboarding here in Jamaica, yeah.
And I was really stoked on the new mini ramp over there. Can you tell me about how that one came out?
Oh man, so sick.
So good.
Perfect for our, you know, my old bones, you know.
Yeah, our old bones or young bones just starting.
That's true. Which was, you know, we were not the inspiration. It was the kids that were the inspiration behind that. But yeah, we have one of our board members and donors, Remy Walters, who with what's it? Jamaica Skate Culture is the name of his foundation, and he was kind enough to donate the materials and bring in a builder, and we all kind of threw in together, put in all the strength, you know. A lot of, even the kids were helping us move dirt, and, you know, there were some long hard days, but yeah.
See you guys.
But yeah, man, the new addition to the park also breaks up, like, you know, if there's younger skaters that are, you know, when the park gets busy, there's somewhere for them to go and roll back and forth.
Yeah, for sure.
Or, you know, it's nice to have a little extra out here, because, like you said, more and more people are coming. The capacity is only so much, you know. But yeah,
it was good to see a ton of families out today, even just hanging out, coming to check it out.
We had a little birthday party today.
Okay.
Like it's sixth birthday, and they came out and did some lessons and had their birthday party out here. Yeah, so
that's awesome.
Yeah, man, it's become you know, a lot more than we ever really expected when we opened up. Like, you know, find what, with the resources we have, what we can do here in the community, and we just keep trying to grow into our role here, you know.
So where can people go if they want to help out the park or community here? Would that be Concrete Jungle Foundation still?
Yeah, Concrete Jungle Foundation, yes. You can also, you know, donate to any of their other parks around the world. They do great work. Freedom Skatepark. You know, you can donate to us directly through any of our sponsors. I know Sandals Foundation has a way you can donate directly to them if you want to donate with a card or from abroad.
Yeah.
They do a lot of great work for us too. So,
okay.
Like, they keep our homework program and music programs going and stuff like that. All of our outside of skateboarding stuff, they've been involved with that, and I think we'll also be taking up our girls skate program this year. So
that's one thing I saw blow up a lot too. Since the first time I was here, there might have been one or two, and now I'm seeing tons of girls come out here.
The girls skate thing, Kayla Wheeler, you know, really got it going this year, or last year I should say. And it was every Thursday evening. It was a great thing, and it'll be coming back. We had to, you know, take a little break. Kind of lost funding for it. You know, we kind of just get money. You have to keep raising money for things like that. But we shouldn't have difficulty raising money for that, because it was such a positive thing. And like you said, out of it has come more female skateboarders. And, you know, when we first started up, it was like 100% boys out here. You know?
Yeah.
So it's nice we gotta have balance the energy, you know?
Yeah, and I'm seeing that everywhere, which is awesome, which is great. It's great to see here also, because
especially here, I think in Jamaica, like, some girls feel like they can't participate in certain sports, you know, that the guys are doing. So I think it's nice to have something that they can do together, and honestly, some of our girls are better than the guys.
Yeah, I've seen the footage.
I love it, you know. We have one girl, Dijonay, who's like, she's sick.
Anything else you want to add?
What I would say is, if you're inspired by this, do it in your own community, put the work in, just work. That's how these guys did it here in this community. They just did it, blood, sweat, and tears in the gully. People were inspired by it, and now we have this park, community center, Yeah. So I mean, just from like some young people being inspired, they wanted to skate and they were willing to work hard and do it, and then teach the youth, which is the next thing you have to do is pass it down. So.
So I'm with Daniel Mattis.
All
Good to
right.
see you again, Daniel.
Yeah, man, respect.
Yeah,
man,
ripping.
love. So yeah, we're out there ripping, shredding. It's been a while, you know. I've been skating like more often since then, but yeah, meeting a lot of people, doing a lot of stuff, getting the skateboard, going with the kids and all this stuff. But otherwise, like skateboarding, going not perfect, but it's going good in Jamaica right now, as far as you know. But it's just like the support and thing like that we just need, you know. But otherwise, all the skaters out here are doing what they're supposed to do, get job done.
I've been seeing the level go way, way up, up, up. Even speaking about yourself in 3 years.
Yeah,
it's been
man.
a crazy jump. You must have been skating a whole lot.
Like, yeah, man, I've been like skating a lot, progressing, practice, learning every day. Like, dedicated to more skateboarding than even surfing right now.
Yeah.
You know, like, I surf a lot, but more like skateboarding to me, I put more of my like chance in that because I really see myself getting better too, as you're saying. But you know, like we're out here having fun every day with all the guys, Sharma, Rana. All the guys getting good too, but you know, like they just get back, so you won't see a lot of them right now. But all the guys are getting good. Not just me, you know, everybody.
Well, even the
kids.
The kids.
Like,
I was gonna ask you what changes have you seen? Because
like-
you were here right at the beginning 3 years
like,
ago.
right now, bro,
Yeah.
it's like a pass on thing. Like the kids that was here, most of them are not here. So you got like some new kids are here for like less than 3 months, maybe, and all these kids are ripping, bro. And the kids that were here, like they get themselves in some shit, like things that they don't really want to do, but they are doing it because they don't got the guidance and stuff like that. But you know, it is what it is, and they are not here anymore. As I'm saying, like the kids that used to be here. So these are some new kids and they're firing. They're like skating really good, dedicating, put the time into it, come skate every day, you know.
Yeah.
Like feeling so good to see that the kids are like pushing it like me, like myself. It's like I'm seeing myself when I was like coming up in skateboarding, and I'm like so proud of myself too, because you know I know where I'm coming from, you know, like I'm not just like skating good just today, you know. So yeah, man. But otherwise, we're out here doing the best of what we can, you know. Give thanks, you know.
And
But yeah, man.
what's next for the park? Do you know what's going on in the future? Like,
Well,
doing some more events and.
Well, there's events like just the other day there was a skateboard contest I actually won. So there's a lot of events going on, building flowers in, we're planting up the place, we're getting the place looking good, like stuff like that. We even getting fruits now, so so it's just like we have to dedicate and put our mind to it and put our heart to it, you know, and like stamp what we need.
Absolutely.
So, yeah, man. But
Skateboarding is
we're here.
life.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Absolutely.
Thanks,
bro.
Daniel.
Like, enough love, man.
Yeah, respect.
Real.
All right, we're gonna go have a look at the new mini ramp. That's a new addition. Just got put in, I think, a couple weeks ago even.